Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Simply Natural Black Life. I hope you all are having an amazing day. I hope you're not stressing yourself out. I hope you're not being overwhelmed. It is just a regular day. I hope everyone has a very, very blessed week. Very blessed week. If you are here from out of town, have a blessed week wherever you're staying with your family. I hope you all enjoy your time with your family, your friends. If you have to work, even at work, enjoy yourself. Today is a great day. Just do the best you can, okay? I love you. May the peace of the Most High be with you. And we still have like maybe 2 more videos I can give you guys. Let me know in this vlog, let me know in this video if you guys want that, and I'll give it to you. So, all right, y'all, let's get started. All right, guys, I have a tip for you. So when you're cleaning out your garbage cans and freshen them up and everything, always throw a bag inside your garbage can before you put the other bag. That way, when it's time for you to take out your trash, you don't have to go look for another bag. It's already in there. So that's a tip from me to you. I love you. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. So I had to clean out the garbage can because y'all know I had guests this weekend and more guests. So just touching some things up, and then I just came from outside throwing a lot of stuff away, boxes, laundry detergent bottles, all that jazz. But I'm gonna take you guys in the back and we're gonna do like a little let goes, and we'll come in. And yeah, we'll take it from there. First, you guys, I would like for y'all to take a moment and lift up our dearest subscriber, friend, sister, or whatever you call each other here on YouTube. Daphne, she lost her mother, I think she said December the 8th. And if I can recall, she said her repast and all that stuff was like on the 14th. So I just want to let you know, you've been on my channel for a very long time, and I do feel like we do know of one another and we do have some type of rapport. But guys, it's nothing like losing your mom. You know, it's nothing like losing a mother. So my thoughts are with you. My mourning is with you. You know, when I read that, it just really stung me. It stung me in a way where it actually brought tears to my eyes. And I know why, you know, but I just want you all to just lift Daphne, lift her up in prayer. And I just pray and I just ask the Most High to comfort you when those times come, because they will come. But hold on to the memories, the good memories. That's why it's very important to always just be a good human being and love on other people. Even when sometimes they may hurt you, you still have to do your part. So I just wanted to say that because every morning. Trust me, I've been thinking about you. So, yeah. All right, guys. Did I say this is Vlogmas? I think this might be Vlogmas 18. But anyway, I think I mentioned to you all too that I no longer like show y'all where I take the donations and stuff like that, because I do know for a fact that the word says that we're not supposed to do that before men. So I'm not gonna ever like really show y'all like knocking on the door, ringing the doorbell and stuff to take donations. But that's one place I do go. And there's another place that I go. I think I never took y'all there. But anyway, I just wanted to let some things go in my closet. Like, for instance, these. I've had these. I have 2 pairs that's similar. I have to just say goodbye. I don't, come on, y'all. I don't need them. I don't need them. So these are gonna go. And then, these Abercrombie & Finch jeans, y'all, don't get me wrong. I love these, and y'all have seen me with these on many of times, and what have I always done? When you lose weight, your pants fall down in the back, and that's what these have been doing, is falling down. I'm just tired of lifting them up, and I don't really have a belt. I have one like very I would say it's too fashy. It's too fashionably for these. It's too dressy for these jeans. So I'm gonna let these go. Although I like them, I like the way they fit. They just, in this area here, it ain't working. So I was like, you know what? Well, since I'm gonna let them go, y'all remember I picked up this mauve Abercrombie & Finch t-shirt. So I said, you know what? I'll put it with the jeans. Why not? Why not? And then I have this shirt, which is silk. And I forgot who this is by. Oh, Splendid. That's a very good company. But I'm letting this go. The one that have the mock back across your back. I haven't worn this in a long time. So, And then this is by Chico's, I think. It's a real silk cream turtleneck. I do need me a turtleneck, but I would rather have a white turtleneck. It says it's a size 1. I don't know, but it's Chico's or whatever. But this is in really good condition, y'all. Haven't worn it since I took my trip to, I think me and my mom went to a restaurant out in North Carolina. So it's been like, I think 2 years. I ain't wore that in 2 years. It's got to go. So those are my let goes, okay? So I'm going to put those over here because I need to find a bag for them. So I did pick up the 3 for 99-cent day one day. I end up picking me up a pillow so I could take the insert out. So the pillows that y'all see on the bed now, they are matching. I don't know. I don't know what happened, but these are the 2 matching lumbar pillows that I got. So like I said, I filled it up with a thrifted pillow, 3 colors for 99-cent. But guys, I found this shirt. Y'all know I love these colors. It has like a V. It's really, really nice. So over time, you'll see me wear it's long sleeve, but it's thin, but it's cotton. That's the name of it. It is cotton. But guys, this is my baby right here. Another Zara sweater. Look at that. Look at the sweater, y'all. Look at the arms. So I'll probably do a try on or show y'all in this video what it look like. It has the turtleneck. Oh my gosh, y'all. You can slouch it. And like I said, it is Zara. So those 3 items, the ugly pillowcase and that was 99-cent. So like I said, I'll throw in a picture of how that looks, y'all. Oh my God, it looks so cozy. I know this is cozy. I know this is cozy. Y'all hear all this new song? I don't know if this Cardi B or is this Megan Thee Stallion, the Christmas music. Let me know. It got a nice little beat to it. I like it. But yeah, y'all, it's 30 degrees. No, it's 28 degrees. When I was in the garage, it said 30 degrees. It's 28 degrees out here. And as y'all can see, my car is loaded. But I got juice. Oh, I did make another juice, y'all, because I got to use that juice. I got to use that juice within 30 days. That stuff was $20 for one of those 48-ounce things. I'm not about to waste that. So I got that. I'm gonna drop that bag off, and then I got the present. I'm gonna try to get by my daughter sometime today. Hopefully it don't be too late when I get off work. I hope it don't be dark. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to come back for a minute. So yeah. I need to call those people who I got my oil change done with, because I just noticed that the little thing that go on your cap, one of my green caps is gone. I had 4 green caps. That's how I be knowing too how my tires was. It's just a way I be knowing that when my tires are rotated and they rotated right. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll see you babies later when I get home or get over to drop the gift off. Okay. Let me go in here on my break and grab this cap for my steering wheel. I'm like for my steering wheel, for my tire. Ooh. Oh. Hey.
You were just coming to get the cap here?
Yeah, the cap. Yes.
I'll go get it and put it on outside.
Okay.
Yeah, I apologize. I've got some.
That's all right. It's okay. Take your time. I know he was talking to me kind of crazy. He just apologized, so that's a blessing.
I'll be honest, I have this little virus. It's terrible.
Oh my God, you gotta take care of yourself. Gotta take care of yourself.
Oh, man. I'll be honest, I tried out the company.
I am attempting to go in this Dollar Tree. It's like so many people. Y'all, it's so many cars out here. Let me turn y'all around. Look at all these cars. They better have somewhere for me to something for me to look at. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh well, maybe they're at the grocery store, because I don't see that many people in here. I just want to find me some. I want to look for some lipstick, some red lipstick. Knowing me, they probably ain't gonna have none. This one don't tell you. Oh, this one said blush rose. Would that be like a red? I don't know, y'all. We're gonna figure it out. I thought there was a lot of people in here because it was crowded outside that parking lot. But it's a grocery store next door, so they probably getting their food for the holiday. She's trying to be in my